Hello, welcome back to MB Jar and Beyond's YouTube page. I'm doing a quick little craft today, so I thought that I'd hop on and share with you guys what I was doing and show you. It's a really quick DIY video. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. First, I'll start by telling you everything that I have and what I need to make this happen. I have my phone in my phone case, of course, and it's only inside the phone case with the phone on it right now so I can see the distance under the apple so that I don't cover that. I have my vinyl stickers that I'm going to add with my name and a butterfly. I have my paintbrush and my paint. Then I have my stencil that I'm going to paint on the back. And I have a couple of these tools in case things are too big or too small and I need to do some painting. And what I need to start by first is taking the film off of my phone case and wiping it down with alcohol wipe so that I make sure I get all the residue off. And also my transfer paper.
Alcohol also helps with sanitizing, so maybe I'll wipe the rest of it while the other side's dry. Let it dry.
Then I'm going to take the stencil that I'm using, which is this butterfly, and take it off the sheet. Still need it to dry a little bit. I'll wipe it just a little bit. So now I'm going to place the butterfly under the apple. And the sticker can cover the butterfly a little bit. I'm placing my name on here so I make sure I have enough space to still fit my name, because that's important. Now I've smoothed that down. I'm going to take out my paint. I'm using a skinny brush so I can get in between the crevices and keep it neat and clean. I forgot one more thing that you're going to need is Modpodge so that you seal it and the paint will have a better chance of staying.
So we'll touch up with second coat to make sure we get the coloring in here. I really like these adhesive ones because they stick better, so it helps you to do a better job of staying in lines.
Now the painting part is all done. I'm going to peel off the stencil. Look how pretty that looks. Place it back on the sheet so I can use it again and again and again. Taking a look and see if there's any places I want to touch up. Looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add the butterflies to the top. And so I've got my vinyl, and then I've got my transfer tape. If you can't tell, I really like butterflies. Got my little smoother here. I'm gonna smooth on the vinyl on both sides. Hopefully it comes off really easy. Part of it did. Go one more time. Now let's try. A little lift. We got that one off. Got that one. Almost there. Got it all the way off. So now I'm going to place this at the top. And I'm going to roll this just to be careful that I don't get the paint wet, because it's probably not fully dry yet. I'm going to use a smoother and smooth it on the foam. Okay, looks like it likes. There we go. We've got a butterfly smoothly on there. Next up is our name. Lift that up a little to smooth it out some. And a little too hard on the A. I find that using this squeegee tool along the way sometimes helps with getting the lift to go. Let's try this side. Gotta make sure we take the dot with us. Now we've got my name on the transfer tape. Now let's put it on the phone. Now the good thing about paint is that it doesn't take long to dry. So the paint has dried and we've got our vinyl on. So now it's time to put a little layer of Mod Podge on there. And the nice thing about Mod Podge is that while it acts as a sealant, it also dries clear. So you don't have to worry about it messing up your design. And so it'll help it to stay on the phone. I'll come back once it's dried so you can see the finished project.